Hi friends, in today's video tutorial, we would study how to add days in Power Query in Excel. So here you can see I have a sheet in which I have some agent name, the course which he has completed, the start date, and the days allowed for him to complete that date. Now I want to find the deadline, which is start date plus days allowed, and that too using Power Query in Excel. So let me show you how you can do that. Right click anywhere inside the data and select Get Data from Table/Range. Now I'll remove this change type. I'll first change this days allowed to whole number. You can see that date is showing as date and time. So I'll click over here and change it only to date. And the course name I'll change it to text. And the agent name also I will change it to text. Now I want to add start date plus days allowed. So if I click on start date and days allowed and then I click on add column, you can see this standard column where I can do mathematics is ghosted or grayed out. The reason being that in Power Query you cannot add date which is of a different type with days allowed which is of a different data type. So if you want to add this too, then you have to click on add column and select custom column. Then you can give any name to the column. We'll give it the name as deadline. Then we'll come here and we'll use a inbuilt function of Power Query called as add days. Now, after using add days, you'll see that it has two parameters. So we'll give comma. The first, we'll give open bracket. The first parameter is the date. So we click on started. Then we give comma. And the second parameter is the number of days to add. Then we close bracket. You can see there's no syntax errors. So we'll click on OK. And the deadline column is created with the new dates. Then you can click on home and select close and load, and the data will be sent into a new sheet in Excel. Here you can see the data has come. You can just select this, click on home and change the data type to date, whichever date you prefer, short date or long date, and you can see the date being calculated. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.